Hello everyone, hope you all are doing good. So myself Arun, and today in this video we are going to discuss the solution of this linear question. The Ferguson Paper Company produces the rolls of paper for use in adding machines, desk calculators and cash registers. So they have provided us some of the constants and variables over here. So these all are the constants that they have provided. Again, this is the tabular format where they have provided the columns, cutting alternatives, and these are the number of rolls for 1.5 inch, 2.5 inch, and 3.5 inch. These are the waste inches. Now here they have used three parts for the question. So the first part provides us that if the company wants to minimize the number of 10-inch rolls that must be manufactured, how many 10-inch rolls will be processed on each cutting alternative, and how many rolls are required, what's the total waste. And then again in the second part, they are asking the company wants to minimize the waste generated, how many 10 inches rolls will be processed for each cutting alternative, how many rolls are required, and what's the total waste. Again, in part C, what are the difference in part A and B to this problem? In this case, which objective do you prefer? So they are asking which is the best objective that we prefer, and then we need to explain and what are the types of situations would make the objective more desirable. So we have used Excel formulas and Excel solution solver as Excel solver as a solution of this question. So this is our question formulation part. Here we have used Xi for the number of 10-inch rolls of paper processed by cutting alternatives. And then this is the minimization. So this is for the minimization part. And these all are our constants that has been derived. And I have also provided the explanation for the each steps. Now here all are the steps that has been provided us. As we can see here, many steps are there to cover this one. And then this is the solver part. For the alternatives, 1.5 inch, 2.5 inch and waste. These all are the parts that has been derived from the question, and I have put it in the Excel format. Now we have used Excel solver. So this is the decision variables, and this is the objective function. Now these are the constants. So this is our objective, which has been derived to 750 by using Excel solver. Now for this is the part B for the explanation part, and this is for the part 3. So we have described here for the part 3 as well. So all the parts we have covered here, and then this is the answer report 1. And that has been provided using Excel solver. Again, this is also the sensitivity report, which has been used through Excel solver itself. So I hope you have enjoyed this video, and to get this Excel solution file, you can just reach me out through email address or WhatsApp. So I will be available on both of the platform, and the details I will be sharing you in my description part of this video. So you can easily reach me out whenever you like. And thank you for watching this video, and we will reach out soon. Thank you. Have a great day. Take care.